You look for playing from daddy though. Alright, let's see you. Stop it nice though. Stop it nice. Yeah man. You ever make nice when we come home, don't it? Hmm? You miss daddy though. Speak of yourself. Alright, let's see you. Come here. Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar.
Good.
Yes, we good, man.
Yeah, still that trouble.
Yes.
Alright,
That's
bro.
trouble all the time, you know?
Proper one, proper.
Every time, yeah?
That
Respect.
Yeah man, don't have on that no. Jamaica yard life. But they aren't being yeah man, kinda rugged today, but no, I tell you. From the other day, I've been in the hills, you know me already, I put in the work most naturally. Yeah man, but come on yard man. The day just start, you know? Don't mind me rugged look. We have to do it most naturally. So I'm open about it. You know me already always I give thanks to life. Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of work I go on the yard, you know? Yeah, man. I'm fix up the road, you know? So today we are detour. That him I say one tree. See, me I tell you. Yesterday. He say one trailer come round there. So he don't know say trailer come.
Yeah man, but there seafood, you know. Just stop in. Pass through though. Yeah man, but say go yeah. Yeah man, we stop at Movie Merlin to grab a food. Yeah man. I forget something I told me, you know. Almost time going at these and boy I beat the bad patrol them. I take it easy, you know. One step at a time.
Yeah, man. You can't beat it like a tractor there. In build for the road, you know. You have to take it one step at a time. Little. Oh, mom. Bless up. So you might come down now, bro. Stroll, you know. As I tell you from before, a lot of work I go on a yard and the place look magnificent already and the work just start. Yeah, man. Love the energy. Yeah, man. So right now, I go running at the hills. Yeah, man, most naturally, because I have to go throw off the stick them. Yeah, man, I'm going to leave on the land, you know. Prepared to go fark. About and I'm up on the farm. Yeah, man. You know me already put in the work, you know. Most naturally. Yeah, man, but rain catch me, you know. Yeah, man, be over there in the hillside. Yeah, man, be here in the countryside, you know. Tell you. Yeah, no. Yeah, put in your work still. Yeah, man. Put in the work, you know. Clean up the whole other side there. Whole other down in the gully, you know. Yeah, man, so. As me tell you from before, whole heap of food for coming now. Yeah, man, but I get some weather in the hillside right now. And trust me, the place look beautiful. Wow. Yeah, man. So I'm alone up on the farm today, but time to come here to walk one. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life, more fun about, you know. Oh, man, I tell you somebody in the hillside. Yeah, man, that's the hut here. I'm in the shelter just now and the rain ease up. Yeah, man, me alone there and so far, I throw off most of the stick them. Yeah, man, so finish up now and then, you know me already. Running back in the shop, you know. Long day, but we have to get up, get about, and do the right thing most naturally. Yeah, man. This is country life, you know. Yeah, man. Nothing sweet like yard, you know. Yard today. Yeah, man. I'm just there putting in the work, so stick around, man. This is just a tip of the iceberg. But we have to do what we have to do. Most naturally. Yeah, man. So you know me already. I make a run go over by Vernal. Yeah, man. You see what I go on from Theme Farm, you know. Well, you know nearby in there, so just a couple chains away. Come on, yard. Yeah? Vernal up on the farm and weed up in carrot. Yeah, man. With friends and family, you know. No place like yard, man. Yeah, man. So, them I put in the work, you know me already. I have to run in at the shop, so I just stop for a few minutes. Yeah, man. So, step with me. Don't deal where I go. Blessings every time. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man, a one family, you know. You know the energy go. It's just a tip of the iceberg. Stick
Same
around,
way.
man.
Come on, yard, you know?
Yeah, man.
Fully.
Come on, yard.
Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe. Blessings.
And for y'all who don't subscribe, they do a work me, you see me? And just hit the little bell over the side, you see me? Little bell here. Ding-ding-ding-ding.
Yeah, man.
Remember, hear that?
Notification bell, you know.
Out there, we don't fear.
Hit Wolf on the block.